I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Olympiad exams. First, thoroughly understand the exam pattern and syllabus for your class. This forms the bedrock of your preparation. Next, focus on building a strong foundation in core subjects like mathematics and science. Finally, gather all necessary study materials, including textbooks and reference guides, to ensure you have everything you need to begin your journey. Once your foundation is solid, dive into extensive practice. Solve a wide variety of previous year's questions to familiarize yourself with question types and difficulty levels. Simultaneously, develop effective time management strategies. Practice solving problems within strict time limits. Always analyze solutions carefully, even for questions you answered correctly, to discover alternative approaches and deepen your understanding. To truly excel, learn advanced concepts that extend beyond your standard curriculum. This extra knowledge can give you a significant edge. Regular revision of all topics is crucial to reinforce your understanding and ensure long-term retention. Make it a habit to take mock tests frequently under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps you identify areas needing more attention. On exam day, maintaining a positive mindset is key to performing your best. Manage any stress by taking deep breaths and trusting your preparation. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before the examination. A fresh mind is a sharp mind. Remember to stay hydrated throughout the day. For a great way to do this, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals. Good luck with your Olympiad exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.